not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight. Unknown brain to mind me, baby. Let's do it.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's makeup look is a robot, as you can see, and it's actually inspired by this image here that I'm just going to put on the screen. I found this on Pinterest and I just fell in love with it. I really wanted to recreate it. I've wanted to do a robot look for so long now, so I'm so excited I finally got around to doing it. If you would like to see how I created this robot makeup look, then please keep watching.
You'll see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. This a war zone. Feel the impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hardened, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill them all, feel the motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trenched out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop. I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain to mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down.
So this is the finished look and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I've put this grey wig on with it to go with the robot grey aesthetic and we're done. Let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comments down below. If you do like it, hit that like button because it really helps me and my channel out, and if you're interested in creative makeup looks like this one, make sure you press the subscribe button down below because that's what I love to do here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll have my handle on the screen and it will also be linked in the description down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.